પ્લેઝન્ટ સ્મેલ એની જે હોય છે એ ગેસિયસ કે વેપર ફોર્મમાં હોય, that means it has not the middle stage from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. It is directly convert to solid to vapor. This is very easy, very simple example that you can understand. There are so many examples which is directly converted solid from vapor. You just have the flame of charcoal. You can feel that charcoal will give heat. It is in vapor, and remaining ashes, it is solid to vapor. Means heat is the purity for us, and it is not related to organic compound, but it is simple explanation. So many example that is having the sublimation reaction. So impure sublimate substance will remain as it is, and pure sublimate substance will be exerted either in vapor form or in dust form. It is depend on the nature of sublimate substance. So sublimation reaction is the very simple. Substance will directly convert it from solid to vapor without converting in liquid form. So it is clear, sublimation reaction, very simple, very easy. Now we are going to discuss second reaction, that is crystallization. Second reaction. What is crystallization? You all have seen this reaction in our daily life. You think, why we are watching every day in our daily life? Which is example of crystallization in our daily life? You have seen in your kitchen, your mother is boiling the milk. When milk is boiled, then after you can see, when it is cooled, you can see the fat on the upper layer of the milk. That fat is the crystals present in the milk. ગુજરાતીમાં તમને કહું તો મમ્મી दूध ગરમ કરતી હોય, दूध ગરમ થઈ જાય, એક ઉભરો આવી જાય, પછી મમ્મી ગેસ બંધ કરી દે છે, અને પછી જ્યારે दूध ઠરે છે ત્યારે ધીમે ધીમે दूध ઉપર તર વળે છે, અને તમે બીજે દિવસે જ્યારે ફ્રીજમાંથી दूध કાઢો ત્યારે એ તરનું લેયર છે એ વધારે થિકનેસ વાળો થઈ જાય છે. Fat is the crystal present in the milk which was not separated without heating and cooled. You just filter the fresh milk, you will not separate the fat. But when you heat the milk, then cooled it, then you can see the crystals present on the upper layer of the milk, and you filtered that milk, you can find out the separation of fat in the filtered. So this is the simple example of filtration I have given. According to your textbook, you can understand that impure organic substance is dissolved in proper solvent at room temperature. It is sparingly soluble, and if heat is given, then it is appreciably soluble at high temperature or total soluble at high temperature. Then after you cool it, make the saturated solution and you cool it, you will find the crystals on the upper layer of the solvent. You filtered it. After filtration, mother liquid is remain. That is to be said mother liquor. In mother liquor, there is also some portion of crystals. You again cooled it. You again heat it and cooled it. You will find again some part of crystals present on it. Again you filtered it. You will get the remaining pure substance which is present in solid form, and you can separate it properly. If there is still crystal present, you pass it from the charcoal. If it is color solution, you will feel that the charcoal will suck the dust or particles of crystals and color will become very, very dull. Or after continuous reaction, you will feel the colorful solution will be converted into very less color or colorless solution. This is the very simple, very easy method to make purify the crystals, purify in the form of crystals which is in solid form. The method is known as crystallization. So kindly keep textbook with you. Hear my words, match with it, and try to remember the story which I have given in Gujarati. દૂધને ઉકાળો and watch at your kitchen. Your mother is boiling the milk. It is cold. You will feel the fat. Means Gujarati ma tar. That is the crystals which crystallization method which your mother doing every day. If you are girl, you have also boiled the milk and you have done the crystallization method in your kitchen. So if you want to any method very easily, you have to observe surrounding you that which method you are following. Then you can explain very easily, very properly. So today we have discussed two methods, sublimation and crystallization, and share the word which is organic method to make the product, substitution reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement reaction, and last one Serra addition reaction. You can easily all four reaction, CCDDS, crystallization, chromatography, distillation, differentiate extraction, and lastly sublimation. You can easily remember all four methods. So send me homework 2 times. Thank you very much.